Today discuss about break-even analysis. The main objective of break-even analysis is to find cut off the production volume from where a company of will make profit. You have see about picture. X-axis based on quantity, Y-axis based on cost. First blue color line is variable cost. It is the taper line. Another green color line taperly sales. Another blue color line for total cost. The sales and total cost meeting point is break even point. This is the break even point. Below side losses, above side profit. The horizontal, the total cost of the starting point to black color line is fixed cost. We have see about the break even sales for fixed cost divided by sales minus variable into selling price. Next, total cost TC is equal to variable cost into quantity plus fixed cost. Profit is equal to sales minus fixed cost plus variable cost. These are the break even analysis. The next topic is margin of safety. Margin of safety, actual sales minus sales at break even point, or another formula, profit ratio divided by PV ratio. Profit divided by contribution in sales. To find the margin of safety percentage for margin of MOS for total sales into 100. Problem number 1. From the following information, find out the amount of profit earned during the year using marginal cost technique. Fixed cost 5 lakh rupees, variable cost rupees 10 per unit, selling price 15 per unit, output level 1,50,000 units. Given data, fixed cost is 5 lakhs, variable cost 10 per unit, selling price 15 per unit, output level 1,50,000 units. To find contribution and profit. Solution. Contribution formula is equal to sales minus variable cost. Sales equal to selling price into output level 1,15,000 into 15. Variable cost is equal to 1,50,000 units into variable cost per unit for 1,50,000, 15 lakhs. Sales minus variable less for rupees 7,50,000. Contribution formula is equal to fixed cost plus profit. To find the profit, fixed cost is 5 lakhs, contribution is 7,15,000. To profit is equal to 7,15,000 minus 5 lakhs. Profit is equal to 2,50,000. The result is contribution 7,50,000 and the profit is 2,50,000. The problem 2. The Murugan and Co. Limited has the following details. Fixed cost is rupees 40 lakhs, variable cost per unit 300, selling price per unit 500. Find the break even sales quantity and break even sales if the actual production quantity is 1,20,000. Find the following contribution, margin of safety by all methods. Given fixed cost is rupees 40 lakhs, variable cost per unit 300, selling price per unit rupees 500. Solution. Break even sales quantity is equal to fixed cost divided by sales minus variable cost, used for break even sales quantity formula. For fixed cost is 40 lakhs divided by selling price minus variable cost. 500 minus 300 is equal to fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost is equal to 20,000 units. Break even sales. Next, fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost into selling price. We also find the 20,000 units for selling price for 500, multiply 1 crores for the break even sales. Next, to find the contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. You have see the selling price into volume of production minus variable cost into volume of productions. 500 into volume of production 1,20,000 minus 300 into volume of production 1,20,000. Also find the contribution of 2 crores 40 lakhs. Another MOS, margin of safety. Method 1, sales minus break even sales. Sales equal to 1,20,000 into 500 minus break even sales is 1 crores. 6 crores minus 1 crores equal to 5 crores. Method 2, margin of safety is equal to profit divided by contribution into sales. Profit is equal to sales minus fixed cost plus variable cost into volume of production. 6 crores minus fixed cost is 40 lakhs plus 300 variable cost into volume of production 1,20,000 units. So also find the profit is equal to 2 crores. Margin of safety is equal to MS. To find profit 2 crores divided by contribution 2 crores 40 lakhs into 6 crores. Also find the MS equal to 5 crores. The margin of safety percentage of sales for 5 crores divided by 6 crores into 100, 83.33%. So also write the results. Break even quantity 20,000 units, break even sales 1 crores, margin of safety 5 crores, margin of safety in percentage 83.33. Of economic analysis. In manufacturing engineering, economic decision making is involved in each and every stage of production, from the design to shipping stage. The 4 primary tasks of engineer to plan: for material selection for the product, design selection for product, building material selection for constructions, process selections. First one, material selection for a product. Material or commodity which are used directly and indirectly producing the product. Material selection for material property based and performance based on selective material, hardness, tensile, strength, stress, strain. These are all things. Material cost based. Material cost must be cheaper and easily availability based on select the material. Another processing based on it is easily machinable of the material. Another one, environment. It is environmentally affected from the raw material. Corrosion, eroded from the material. Next, translation. It is express the design requirements for main objective. Example for tie rod. Function, support the tensile load. Objective, minimize the mass constraints to record length, load carrying capacity. Screening. Another one, screening. Eliminate the material that cannot do the job. Screening, you will be better choose for the order wise or display the screening. Ranking, find the material that can do job the best. Selection, for the rank wise material property based and another things based on rank wise first second third availability based will be arranged and select the verify and supporting the material. Process planning. Process, it is defined as the group of action instrumental to the achievement of the output of an operating system. Process planning, it is the systematic determination of the methods by which a product is to be manufactured economically and competitively. Process planning procedure for 6 steps followed. First one, analyze the part drawing to get an overall picture on what is required. To record the dimension based on operation based to analyze the part drawing. Consult with the product engineer on part or product design changes. It will be difficult to manufacturing of the part. You will be design engineer to change the dimensions and or design changes. List the basic operation required to produce the part to the drawing or specification. Specification based on length, breadth and operation based will be given. Determine the most economical manufacturing method and from of tooling. Most economical manufacturing based on cost wise for tooling requirement complete the product. Devise the best way of combine the operation and put them the sequence. The best way of the sequence based on minimize the flexible manufacturing system used to best way select and the time study method study follow to select the sequence of operation. Specify the gauging requirement for this process. Okay, thank you.